I'm forgetting her name. No, can't.
What's her name?
Benda.
Good job.
It starts with a Benda.
Okay.
It starts like Ben.
Ang aga nila nagising,
Benda.
guys.
So
8
let me
something
choose.
gising
Mommy,
na
guess
sila.
what?
Time na? 9 na
Benda
siguro.
will be so happy. I'm gonna give her one of these.
No, but I don't think she's coming back tonight. If she's coming back, you can give her one. Nilabas ko yung painting na binili ko from Shein. Dala ko kasi dito yung mga maliliit, yung ganito yung itsura. Ayan, kasi sabi ko, para may gawin sila dito. So it's really nice. It's actually good as well to put in like a party bag ba.
You can have one of
No, sa Shein ko yan nabili, guys. Maliliit lang na ganito, ipipainting. Tapos may kasama ng brush and paint. So, dala ko siya. Dala ko siya dito sa Vietnam. Ako na talaga. So, inopen ko nga ngayon para may gagawin sila mamaya.
I'm keeping some for my friend.
Now, come on, hurry up because I'm putting it back. Which one do you want?
Can you write your name?
So, isang pack, 2, 4, 6, 7 sa isang pack. 8 sila, guys. 8 sa isang pack. Itong isa, gustong-gusto. Kaya lang yung yung paint naglabasan. Ayan, oh. May ibang paint na naglabasan. Ito na yung isa, kagat ng kagat. Hurry up, which one are you giving them? I need to put it back now. Because Kaka keep on biting the wrapper.
But mommy, can you write your names?
No, it's okay. You don't need to write. We don't have a pen.
Oh.
Just choose one for you and for your cousins. Hurry up.
I'll choose, this one.
For you? Okay.
I'll do it now.
Yeah, come on, choose for them.
Actually, I won't. But I want to do it with my cousin.
Oh. So today is, what is today? Thursday na, guys. Ang bilis. Thursday. Happy Thursday, guys. So Thursday na tayo ngayon. Umalis si Daddy kasi may derby sila sa Cambodia. So nag-cross naman siya ng border to Cambodia to
That one is
Yeah.
Panda. Hi, that's not
to
yours.
the derby. Yung fight ng chicken.
So silly.
So maglalaban-laban yung mga manok niya.
Look, mommy, I got
So pag nandito siya, sumasama talaga siya. Pero pag hindi, pag wala kami dito, may naman, may video online. So you can watch it online. So I think 4 na manok yung maglalaban-laban. No, Kaino. And hope that he wins.
Mommy. So, why do I have 5?
Dali na. You can paint another next time. Put it all back. Which one are you using? Which
Hey,
one?
Mommy, I'm keeping these.
Okay,
But
put it
guess
here.
what?
Put it here. If you're keeping them, put it here.
Whatever's for my cousin, I'm gonna put them there.
Yeah. No, leave the one that you need to paint today with your cousins. You need to put that inside that bag. Come on. Hurry up.
This one,
Yeah, you said you're gonna
I'm not
Keep
gonna
that.
paint these.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep these.
Kay, ito naman gustong ilagay sa mouth lahat
Oh,
ng
yeah. No.
yaki, Kay. Yaki.
So, 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1,
Busy-busy kang ate. So, nagising na din ako, guys. Kasi yung left side ko na boob, na siya, very hard. And kailangan ko mag-pump. Kasi pag pinadede ko si Kay dito, ayaw niya mag-latch.
The one I'm gonna paint, I put it back here.
Yeah, kasi super puno ba. So, nag-pump na din ako. And ito, feeling ko matutulog to ulit mga around 10. No, Kay, no? Matutulog ka ulit, Kay.
Mommy,
Pakainin ko
I'm
na lang
such a
ng
kind friend for letting them paint too. If I would say, Mommy, I don't want to share with them, then I'm not kind, but I want to share with them because they will be sad.
Yeah,
Then will be sad.
that's a good girl. Sharing. Ay.
Sharing is sharing. So I'll put
Sharing
these
is scary. Ikaw, dito ka. Maglaro ka dito. Ang daming...
Mommy, can you put these wherever I want?
Nagustuhan nila yung fan na to, yung life. Kasi grabe naman talaga siya humangin, guys. Hindi ko nga expect na ganun siya maghangin. Sabi ng kapatid ko, yeah, you need a fan. Especially very hot dito, humid. So you need a fan. Tapos agad-agad ko siya binili. Nakita ko na to kasi, ang daming may gusto nito. Tapos sabi ko, yeah, I might get one. So tapos natry ko na siya dito sa mainit na lugar. Grabe naman talaga yung kanyang yung kanyang pa-fan. As in 100, parang may totoong fan ka na. Yung super laking fan. So, yeah, nagtanong sila kung saan ko nabili. Sabi ko online. Pero yung chinek ko sa Jisoo Life Vietnam, mas ano siya, cheaper. Cheaper siya dito, guys. Kasi naano ko siya, parang $89 ba yung nabayaran ko sa Australia. AUD yun, guys. $89 siya. So, pag dito sa Vietnam, parang hindi siya uabot ng $89. Mas mura siya. Hey, you wanna talk? Say hi! That's Mommy's mic. You wanna say hi? Ito naman, gustong-gusto din to pag nagpa-fan. So, ginagamit ko to pag nasa labas kami or nasa stroller si Kai. Kasi yung init naman talaga, guys. Mabuti na lang umuulan-ulan ngayon dito. Tapos, may hangin na medyo malamig. Kaya lang humid pa din. Pero, at least hindi siya super, super init. Kasi umuulan-ulan ba? So, it's good. Maganda yung weather ngayon. Kaya lang, ayun lang, hindi ka makalabas-labas kasi nga umuulan. Babasa ka, ganun. But yeah. Let's do your hair. You wanna get your hairbrush over there? What happened? You wanna eat? You wanna eat your food? You wanna eat food? Yeah? Wanna eat your food? Oopsie. Okay, gusto din kumain. Pakainin siguro natin ng tawag dito. Yung nasa pouch. Ayoko pa kasi lumabas dun. Init. Kaya pakainin natin ng sa pouch. Try natin to pakainin yung strawberry and chia yogurt brekkie. Yan. Normally nilalagay ko sa spoon. Kaya lang yung spoon niya dito sa hindi ko pa nahugasan. Yummy! Yummy! Swallow. Ah. Gusto niya. Nilabas mo man. Stand up. Wala kasi tayo. Hold. Mia, I need wipes, baby. Can you pass me that wipes right there? Mia. Wipes, babe. Mia. Stand up. Mia, wipes. Siya naghahawak. May lumalabas ba kayo? Hindi ko kasi nakikita. Ay, makalat. Makalat, guys, pag hindi sa spoon direkta. Ayoko na to. You have to wash your...
Another Oreo?
Have to wash your, No, that's one, maybe. That's one. Drink your water.
Okay. Let me check this in a bit.
Okay, no. More. Yum. Yum.
I'll go get water. Mommy, if I eat Oreo, if I don't drink water, then
Kai. Ano ba yan, Kai?
then if I don't drink water, then I could have sore throat.
Hindi to maganda. You need to wash your,
Mommy, wala na parang not opening.
Tapos na siya kumain. Nakabihis na din siya, guys. And then, andyan na naman siya sa paborito niyang lugar. Hindi niya naubos yung food niya. Half lang. Kasi parang antok na siya. Nagreklamo na siya. Pero, andito siya. Oh. Tingnan yung pinagagawa. Not that one. That's mommy's toothbrush. Nope. 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 Are you gonna sleep? Gonna sleep or what? Nope. Itong batang to. Who is here? Mga ate is here. Balik na naman sila. Andito na sila from school. Ang aga ng labas nila, guys. Mga 10:30. Magkapatid to silang dalawa. So, second cousins to sila ni Mia. Kasi cousin ni V yung nila, papa, sa mother side.
Oy.
Na. Ang laki ni Kay tingnan pag naka-t-shirt tsaka shorts. Parang big boy na big boy siya. Look at him. Nagising guys. Ilang minutes lang yung tulog. Parang 15 minutes lang. Narinig niya kasi yung parang ganyang sound. Kasi kinuha ni Mia yung painting na plastic. Kasi dumating na sila so binigay niya sa mga pinsan niya. Ayun, nagising si Kay. 10 pa lang, 10:44 ng umaga.
Oy, 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 oy.
Tingnan niyo siya kung nasaan na naman siya. Andito na naman siya.
I love them. I found them. I love them.
I know you love them.
This one was there. This one.
Touch them?
I just.
No, don't touch them. Ay, kinicarry niya, nilalagay niya sa
That's
duyan.
what I can do.
I know, but be careful because if it get annoyed, it might bite you, babe. So, dito tayo magwawash. Magwawash ulit ako ng gamit, mga puti. Ah, my goodness.
I can carry both of them.
Yes, but be careful, it will bite you. Tingnan, ang daming dog.
They're puppies. They're babies. I love them.
Yeah, they're puppies. Oh my God. May kinikiss niya pa. Okay, go down, go down. My gosh.
No.
It's gonna bite you, baby. It doesn't like, maybe it will get annoyed.
I put them down.
Yeah, just put them down. It's okay.
Everyone's so cute on there.
Dito tayo magwash.
Sometimes they fight together.
I know. They're babies. They're like siblings, you know?
Yeah.
Like you and Kai.
Yeah, they're like.
They're siblings. Nandito na siya sa sala. Hindi ko alam kung sala to or kitchen. Parang ito yung clean kitchen. Tapos nasa labas yung dirty kitchen. Kasi doon sila nagluluto na. Ay, itong batang to. Tapos yung totoong sala talaga is dun. Dun. Sa may pool table. Yeah? Kay Kai? Okay siya dyan, ah. Lakad-lakad lang siya. Ano tayo, tupi. Umuulan kanina, guys. Nag-stop naman. Parang nag-stop naman na siya. So, kinuha ko yung mga nilabhan ko kahapon. Ayan, so magtupi lang tayo. Naglaba ako ng mga puti. Hindi ko sila nilabhan kahapon kasi walang hanger. So, okay na to. Dry na. Ito yung sinusuot ko before pag nag-motorbike tapos nakadress. Nilabhan ko siya. Andito pa pala yung mga damit ko, guys, na iniwan. So, yan. Nilabhan ko to. Pwede pa ito magamit. Kaya lang, yung mga iniwan kong damit sa cabinet nila, parang ano na, may mga parang puti-puti. So, kailangan sila labhan. Happy pa naman si Kai sa ano. Pag nawala talaga ako sa paningin niya, guys, umiiyak siya. So, kinuha ko lang tong damit ko sa labas, sa mga nilabhan ko nga. Ayun, umiyak-iyak na siya. Hinahanap ako. Pero iniwan ko siya dyan ngayon sa walker. Okay naman siya. Hindi naman niya ako hinanap. Di pa siya nagtataka kung nasaan ako. Ito yung mga pajama na pinigay sa akin ni Mama, guys. So, pag gabi, masarap siya, suotin kasi malamig sa feeling. Ngon.
Baby, Mia.
What's what? This one. Oh no. What's wrong, baby? Mommy's just right here. Oy, it's okay, Kai.
Oh! Mommy, Benda left her toy here.
Oh,
Oh no.
oh no.
I'll be back for her one.
Okay, mommy, help. Okay, sit down. It's okay. Oh. Where's your toy? Huh? Where's Kai's toy? Mommy, get the shake. Wanna shake? Huh? Mommy, get the shake. Here. Where's the shake? Oh, wow. Wow. Shake. Okay.
Really?
Oh. Yeah. Kakain na kami. 11 pa lang. 11 pa lang, guys. Ay, I can't close this one. Why I can't close this one?
Ow!
Ay, baby!
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Oh. Ay, what happened? Oh, come, mama. Dito sila naglaro scooter kasi umulan ng todo, guys.
Mommy, can I go run the bike?
No, it was raining. It's still raining, babe. See? Basang-basa, oh. Basang-basa yung labas.
It's not raining anymore.
Yeah? What do you want? Antok ka na? Tapos lang kumain. Sarap-sarap ng kain eh. No? Naka-carrots and the soup. Nag-carrots and soup. Oh, pilaw na. Antok na nga. Oh, tingnan niyo yung itsura. Antok na? Ha? Shh. It's Chiche. That's Boot. Say hi, Chiche. Oh, antok na. Boot? Oh, okay. Move. Oh, wow. Finish? Ubus na yung banana. Pangalawa. Ay! Nalalaglag nga lang. More? Here. Ay! More. Nana! Nalalaglag. Binigyan siya banana na lola niya. Kaya lang, nalalaglag, guys. Oh, more. Wow. Yummy. Oh, more. Ay! Don't spit it out. No more? Sinaglagan. No more. You, Kai, Kai. You keep dropping them. Tingnan niyo siya. Kukuha pa siya madami. Ito yung ito yung saging natin sa Pilipinas, di ba? Maliliit. Yeah? You like that? Pangalawa mo na yun, boy. That's enough. Oh. Kung ano-anong kinakain. Kanina binigyan din siya guava. Pero hindi niya man kinain, guys. So, ano niya lang, sinisip-sip. Ito, sinisip-sip niya lang. Where are you going, Kai? Come on here. Go. Where's Mia? Oh my God. Ito, kung saan-saan na siya napupunta. Kai! Oh, what happened to this? It's broken. Huh? Ano? Huh? You wanna walk? Ate Mia. Alam niyo ba kung saan si Mia? Nasa swing. Ini-swing yung mga dog. No? Ini-swing ni Ate Mia yung mga dog. Tingnan niyo saan siya. Saan siya napunta? Hi, bit-bit. Tingnan niyo to. Mia! Tingnan niya. Mahulog! That's enough na. They're tired na. Put them down. I can't hear you. Put it down. It's hot outside. Go inside. Ikaw, ano na naman ang pinaplano? May pinaplano ka. Ito ang gustong kunin. Wag yan. Ang cute-cute ng saging. Oh, come here. It's hot outside. And you're swinging. Ay, hello. You're swinging the dog. Come on. Cute. Tulog na naman siya, guys. Alam kong matutulog siya eh. Kaya pinaandar to. Di ba nakapag walking na ako. Tapos, matulog na siya. Di ba? Ang galing-galing na. Ang baby ko eh.
Gising naman ang boy. Gising na. Oh.
Bilis lang manunok. Ang gising na ayun na ni Kai Jan. Kanina pa si Jan. Kidig. Dapat ang reaction.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watching